Okay, hello guys.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Hi.
So
Is it sunny?
very
Listen,
sunny.
I
I'm
told you
burning.
not to.
Chalo, let's start the quiz. Let's start the quiz.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to Take Two India's the most random quiz show in the world.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
तो अभी मैं तुम लोग को रूल समझा देता हूँ, ठीक है? Total, I'm not telling you how many rounds are going to be there. Okay, that will come along as we go along. For every round, you cannot argue with me if I have made a decision कि किसको point मिल रहा है या किसने buzzer पहले दबाया, तो I am the one who decides. There is no other person who can decide that. Okay. उसके बाद for every correct answer you will get 10 points. And wait, no, I'm not taking any doubts right now. Wait. See, for every correct answer you will get 10 points. And हर round के अलग-अलग rule होंगे. So I have asked you to keep a pen and paper ready. In 2 rounds you will need those. In 2 rounds you won't need those. Okay. Let's go to the first round now. Yes, पूछो.
अभी देख, अभी अगर शर्वरी तेरी फेवरेट तो उसको एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट मिलेगा ना. How can
ऐसा
only you
फेवरेटिज्म
get?
नहीं होता है. ऐसा फेवरेटिज्म नहीं होगा यहाँ पे.
मानसी मैं हूँ फेवरेट, मिलेगा मेरे को.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि तू
Wait.
फेवरेट तो तुझे ही मिलेगा ना सब.
I am just scared looking at his attire more than this rules.
Yeah, that comment gets Sharwari extra 2 points.
ये देखा, मैंने बोला था फेवरेट. शर्वरी फेवरेट
What
तो
kind
2
of
points.
a scoring system is this? Like,
Sorry viewers, I did not introduce them. So these three are friends. They know each other way too much, and that's why you can see the comfort level already. So we have Mansi with us, Siddhi and Sharwari. Okay, 3 of them are going to play against each other. There is no team system anywhere. Okay, chalo, round 1.
Prasham, your attire is distracting. Very.
That is the reason why I have won it. No? So our round 1 is round 11 because this is a very random quiz. Okay. So round 1 is round 11. The round is called Pehchan Kaun. ठीक है, इसमें there will be a picture और वो फोटो पे चेहरे पे क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा obviously, and you need to guess the person. This is a buzzer round, so you won't need your pen and paper. Your buzzer is going to be shouting out loud buzzer. Okay.
हाँ तो ये सब कौन बताएगा? ये रूल्स बताने का ना पहले.
These are self-explanatory rules. If you have seen any quiz any time in your lifetime, तो ये सब होता है उसमें, ठीक है?
हर एक क्विज, एक सेकंड, हर एक क्विज में टाइम लिमिट नहीं होता है.
हमारे जूम मीटिंग में भी अभी टाइम लिमिट है, 40 मिनट बाद बंद हो जाएगी. उसके पहले शुरू करेंगे मीटिंग.
Okay.
Okay, हाँ.
Yes. So this is the first photo. Who is this?
Buzzer.
Yes, Sharwari.
I would go with Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
That's the wrong answer. Anyone else?
buzzer.
Yes, Siddhi.
Is it Sachin Tendulkar?
That's the correct answer. 10 points.
I just thought he was.
Bhagwan of cricket. Yes.
That's
So
right.
next. Who is this?
I suck at this.
Oh my god. I can think of someone, but I am 100% sure कि वो नहीं है. So
To try to kar. You
Shoot
can have
your shot.
multiple attempts. You can have multiple attempts if
your
no one
shot.
else is
Okay,
answering.
very
wow. Okay.
Shoot your shot.
Okay, buzzer. I think it's Psy or the singer of Gangnam Style. It's PSY or something like that.
उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा.
That's the wrong answer.
See,
Definitely not.
dude, he looks like it. Come on.
Or if all 3 of you don't have an answer, then I can give you a hint. But for that you need to guess once.
Okay.
She guessed once, no?
अरे
So
हर
all
कोई.
3 of us.
Can it be like a very, okay, it's a random, no? So it can't be very random guess. Okay, buzzer.
Yes,
Parish
Mansi.
Rawal.
That's the wrong answer. It is close, but it is the wrong answer.
Oh,
I think it's one of,
Hera Fairy ka something. Actually.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I don't know why I feel so. Titi, guess करना कुछ तो random. We need a hint.
Buzzer, it's Akshay Kumar because the Hera Fairy thing.
No, that's the wrong answer. Your hint is he's an Indian actor.
That's not even a hint. Come on.
We know
Yeah.
that.
कोई
तूने
था।
तूने तूने साय बोला कि नहीं वो इंडियन है नहीं है तो आई नैरोड योर जियो लोकेशन
Indian actor.
इंडियन
Buzzer.
एक्टर
Such.
yes
Okay.
yes sir.
I'll just go with Sunil Shetty.
That's the look at his physique. That's the wrong answer.
I don't think it's a Hera Fairy character. He said Paresh Rawal is close, right? So
Wait, but in what sense? I'm not telling you. In what
yeah,
sense? it is
exactly.
good, I'm
In
not
what sense? So like think
Very
about
random.
something related to Paresh Rawal. Maybe a Indian comic
close.
that way.
Yeah.
See, I've got brains. Who else? A buzzer. Is it Johnny Lever?
No, that's the wrong answer.
Even I thought of him, but look at his fingers.
Is it buzzer? Is it Sunil Grover?
No, that's the wrong answer. Look at his physique. That's
My
the
God.
wrong
At
answer.
least Mansi, you're answering. I have no idea. Indian
Okay,
television.
I
First
feel
he's
like I'm
like-
on the verge of giving up now. No, look at his hands. It seems like someone who's a little old.
Yeah, I
I'm
think
sure.
he's close to Paresh Rawal in terms of being Guju. I don't know.
No. I don't think Prasham would ever associate that kind of clue.
2,000 years later.
So are all three of you giving up?
It's more random than the outfit you're wearing.
Yeah. Okay. So is everyone giving up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pass.
Okay. So the answer is
I don't. Oh, come on! He is Guju. He is Guju.
next
How
one.
could we not?
Next one.
Silence.
It becomes more difficult with every passing question. But
Exactly.
yeah, random guess. Buzzer.
Yes.
Is it Salman Khan?
No.
No way. Wrong answer.
He just
I think
gave
this
a-
is some news journalist, I feel.
I again
like-
think this is
Like Prasham's favorite one.
कुछ भी
I'm not going to
Dude,
react.
I just. Dude, buzzer.
Yes.
Is it shit? What was his name? Manoj Bajpayee from Gangs of Wasipur.
नहीं
No. Wrong answer.
Buzzer.
It is
Now,
very
Yes.
random.
I know it is not Arnab Goswami, but random guess. Is it Arnab Goswami?
बकवास बकवास
No.
We
तुम लोग को
never
muffler.
like this.
Are you not
I
seeing the
know.
muffler?
But we want the hint.
Buzzer.
Oh, many
Yes.
people.
Acha,
yes.
she
I
has
would
a buzzer.
always, I would again go because of the muffler. I clarify myself. I would
Huh.
again go with Arvind Kejriwal. So
And I'll give you 5 points for that. And I'll give you 5
Now
points
this
for
is
that
again
because it was-
someone.
That's right. You don't know Jitu? You should know Jitu.
No.
I
Anyway,
don't know Jitu. Okay. Wow.
this is the
Okay,
last
I'll
question
guess
of this
this.
round.
Buzzer.
Yes.
Buzzer.
Yes.
Amit Shah.
No, that's the wrong answer.
I thought it. I got it.
I thought the same.
अच्छा वो उसने बोल दिया.
Okay.
As if you have a better guess. Shalwari, go ahead.
I have
Buzzer.
Amit Shah.
Modi.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई
That's the wrong answer.
ये buzzer करो ना तुम दोनों फिर hint मिलेगा.
तो तू 2 बार कर दी ना बोलने से पहले कुछ तो भी.
अरे अच्छा अभी तुम कर. It's such a Amit Shah. If it's again someone dressed as Amit Shah, I swear I will punch this human in the face.
This,
I think-
who you can see with a question mark.
I will punch you, Prasham Pradhan.
And I can give you minus points for that.
Give.
You
देना
said
चाहिए.
you will give plus points for dissing.
But not
But
me.
you are dissing the
Not
host.
me. Not me.
She's dissing you.
अरे but Sharwari got 2 points for dissing the host, no?
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है
Random
But क्या-
quiz. मिल गया.
She gave me a compliment.
Or so you thought.
Whatever.
I think you look very handsome, Prasham.
I already
You
gave you
will
2
for
points.
this. You not
एक
get
बार ही
points
होता
for
है।
this.
एक बार ही
एक
होता है।
बार ही okay.
ये guess करो ना.
अरे यार. So
Can't
Dude,
even name.
Feels like a
I
likely.
just thought of Abhishek Bachchan from Guru, but he is not Abhishek Bachchan because his fingers are very small. So I'm just making. Because his
I was
fingers are
very much
small.
into. No, I do. I'm still stuck with Amit Shah behind that question mark. I
Yeah,
just
but
can't
it is
get that
not.
out of my head.
Dude, it's like from the past 2 rounds, it has been a like a person who is playing a actor or a politician.
Yeah,
So
and
if it's
I am telling
मैं
you,
hint दे
if
दूं?
this time
मैं
also.
hint दे दूं? मैं hint दे दूं?
हाँ.
It is not someone dressed as someone.
okay.
It is a
This
original
is not.
Is it a
person.
very well-known personality? Because we don't know all cabinet ministers, okay? So
Yeah.
He is well
I
known.
don't think.
He is well known. अब वो कौन से डिग्री पे well known वो तुमको डिसाइड करना है. Ideally, I
I
think
don't
all three of
think
you
it's
should
a-
know him. Ideally, all three of you should know him. But फिर अगर तुम्हारा जीत के थोड़ा
अगर हम लोग को ये
कमजोर है तो
मालूम नहीं होगा ना तो ऐसे ही
Okay,
I-
another hint.
Okay.
Don't think
Uh-huh.
politics. Think entertainment industry.
Ideally,
But
we
sir-
should know him.
Yes,
now I would go with Paresh Rawal.
and that is the wrong answer.
Thank you.
If I
I
are
would
try
wrong,
that.
when do we get like the answer?
I'm just focusing on his
Nancy, do you want
finger.
to try?
Yeah, the fingers and
Are
the
very
ring.
short. And
One last hint क्योंकि सब आंसर मुझे नहीं बताने, ठीक है?
Okay.
One last hint. He's a comedian.
is he a television comedian or in like films? ऐसा?
He said entertainment industry, right? It could be a
Correct.
stand-up comedian as
Yeah.
well. And this looks like, what was his name?
जो भी बोलना है बजर बोल के ही बोल देना.
हाँ, अरे no, wait, let me think. He
एक
did
काम
this.
कर मानसी मेरे को टेक्स्ट कर नाम मैं बोलती हूँ सही है.
See, I'll give you the hint if anyone knows ना तुम लोग बोलो. देखिए, he was the CEO पहले and then he retired to become the stand-up comic. He is one of the older people.
That's
अतुल खत्री.
Atul Khatri, yeah.
isn't
I thought
like
it was
this.
Atul.
No,
But I don't think it's
it's
Atul Khatri.
definitely
But
not
okay, my
Atul
guess is Atul Khatri. Bazar, Atul Khatri.
Wrong
it's
answer.
not Atul Khatri.
मैं सामने से थोड़ी बोलता अतुल खत्री.
हाँ,
ऊपर से
true.
उसका fingers देख. I don't know. I'm just looking at those fingers.
Pass.
Yeah.
You
It's a
will
pass
kick
for
yourself
mine.
after seeing his face. You will kick yourself.
I might punch you.
Oh, dude, Zakir Khan never, very occasionally dresses like this. Okay,
This is-
he
Exactly.
usually wears a shirt.
अच्छा
अभी
आपने सुना है
सुन,
आपने
if
सुना है
you-
एक
I'll
सीरीज
tell
है
you what.
एक सीरीज है जिसका
I'll
नाम है
tell you
चाचा
what.
विधायक है हमारे.
But
If you
those-
want, if you
dude,
want us to
everyone
guess
else-
कि ये Zakir Khan है, then there should be stuff Londa written somewhere.
Not
तो वो
necessary.
ज्यादा
कहाँ
obvious
लिखा
हो
है?
जाता.
कहाँ लिखा है? वो
इतने
इतना
भी
obvious नहीं, इतना obvious
इतनी
नहीं.
बेवकूफ तू हो सकती है. हम लोग नहीं. So
Think at least I led
Oh,
you in the
Sarori
right,
gets points for
right
that
way.
comment.
I knew it. I knew Sharwari was doing it for points.
Even I
I'm
knew
sorry,
it.
Mansi.
I knew it.
I'm sorry, Mansi. I don't have anything against you. I
No,
just want the
it's fine,
points.
it's fine.
Sharwari is going to ace this quiz.
Okay, so now we are into round 2. So the name of the round is the guess it challenge. ठीक है? तो तुम्हें guess क्या करना है? I'll tell you. Now you need your pen and papers ready. The first word. अब ये round ऐसा है
1 second.
कि the first word that comes right on top of your head. जो भी तुम्हें लिखना है, कोई भी एक word randomly, just write it down. Then a word will flash on the screen. ठीक है? That word is already pre-written.
And the
लिखा हुआ
closest
है.
answer will give marks.
Closest answer नहीं, तुम्हें उसका you need to draw a path from your word to that word. You need to draw a connection between the two words.
Okay.
Oh,
This
we have
The
to be
most
creative
convincing-
here.
The most convincing answer will get 10 points. Show your words.
Can you see this?
Dog, crow, and
Oh, it's
very good.
inverted better.
Dog, crow, and sky. Now the word that you need to draw a relation between with your words. We'll start with Mansi, then go to Siddhi, and then go to Sharwari. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the relation between dog and Gili Danda?
Oh my god.
Dog and gilli danda. See, the D and the G is common. You see, it's just उल्टा. ऐसे इसमें गिल्ली डंडा में G पहले आता है और D बाद में आता है.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Do you want to improve your answer?
Dog and gilli danda. Dog can't play gilli danda. How do I associate this? No, I don't. I can't be more creative.
Okay, yes, Siddhi. How is crow related to gilli danda? Please explain.
Okay, so what if this one kid is playing gilli danda, and when he tosses the stone or whatever it's called,
It is
a
called
crow-
gilli.
gilli, okay, and the crow is just passing by, and you know how crows like shiny things, right? So what if he just takes it away and drops it in the balcony of a neighbor who provides him food every day? Because they do like to collect shiny things. That's what I could come up with.
Already the points are not going to Mansi. Yes, Sharwari. What is the relation between sky and gilli danda?
Yeah, okay. So this is like the closest I could come. Okay, Gilli Danda is the heart of Indian, like it's like amateur cricket. Okay, so every kid who dreams of being a cricketer plays Gilli Danda, and when he wins, he thinks that sky is his limit. So that is how I could associate a little bit of Gilli Danda. That is like
That's
Okay.
very bad.
Okay.
Siddhi is
better than
totally
crow.
winning this.
There are 10
Siddhi-
points to give. ठीक है 10 पॉइंट है देने के लिए.
just ratio में बांट दे.
मैं वही सोच रहा था. I'll give 2 points to Sharwari and 8 points to Siddhi. Write your second
Oh my-
word now.
It can be a proper noun, right?
कुछ
It can
भी
be
लिख,
anything.
जो लिखना है लिख. Please
I'm
show your
anyway
words.
losing at this. I'm not caring about the points anymore.
Book.
Okay,
Okay.
So your word.
Fashion. Rasham.
मेरा आत्महत्या करने का टाइम आ गया है.
I think
Now connect
Sharwari
it.
is very smart.
Connect it
Sharwari
to.
is just very smart.
Connect it to.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
Okay, now Sharwari can easily do this.
No,
I so
no,
wanted
no, no,
Prasham's
that is too much
name.
pressure.
I swear I have the best explanation to Shadi.com and
Arey, you should have it written there. You could relate anything.
Prasham.
This is like
Mansi,
Prasham
तूने
is
क्या
so
लिखा है?
random. Prasham
क्या
is so
लिखा है लेकिन?
random. You can relate anything with him.
Siddhi got majority
Siddhi
of
is
the
going.
points last time, so Siddhi goes first.
So Siddhi is going first. After you are done, Sharwari, I will give the best explanation to Shadi.com and Prasham.
कोई पूछा क्या?
नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए.
please.
चाहिए ही नहीं.
Okay, so there are like these two book lovers who get to know each other on Shadi.com because their parents registered them without them knowing. And then they go on a date at a bookstore and buy each other their favorite books. Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
I can't even.
I'm going
Nice.
next.
deep?
Nice explanation.
How
Nice
deep?
explanation. Yes.
I am going next.
Okay.
Okay, so like if you see how Shadi.com is, you see the pictures first. So that is your first impression of the person you think you are going to marry or meet or whatever. So your fashion sense and the way you look is very important. So fashion is related to your Shadi.com.
Okay. Yes, Sharwari.
Sharwari.
Yeah, so my word is Prasham, guys, just like, and Shadi.com. So all I could think was that Prasham, being in his attire, couldn't possibly afford a love marriage, of course.
ऐसा जरूरी नहीं.
So he had to go to Shadi.com, and ultimately he marries his soulmate, that is a Gujju girl who is carrying a khakra. So
Stereotyping is
I
not
have
going
a-
to get you points.
I
10 points तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिल रहा
I
है.
have a
10
close
points तो बिल्कुल नहीं
explanation.
मिल रहा है.
See,
Well,
I have a
थोड़ा
close
बहुत मिल सकता है.
explanation.
I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh?
Guys, you're
Okay.
Mansi is on mute.
Yeah, I just
She's just talking.
मत बताओ. Yeah, so Sharvari gets 6 points.
Something.
6
Oh,
points.
wow, thanks. Thank
Okay,
you.
Sharvari gets 6 points. And the other 4 are divided at 2 and 2 between Mansi and Siddhi.
Fair
Still
enough.
Siddhi is leading. Nice. Way to go. Mansi. Mansi is on mute.
Mansi is still on mute. Oh wait, she's not on mute anymore. Mansi, speak up.
Prasham, if you mute me again in middle of the story.
मिडल नहीं स्टार्ट के पहले ही म्यूट कर दिया. Anyway,
Shut
we'll
up.
move on.
See,
So next round is not round, it is triangle now. Okay, triangle 11. The round is called ये कितने का दिया?
Bad, this is mad.
So do we have to use sketch pens?
Yes, you need your pen and paper now as well. What you need to do, मैं तुम लोग को एक commodity या एक product का photo दिखाऊंगा. You need to guess the price.
Yes,
The closest price gets 10 points.
okay.
Cool.
Haldiram Bhujia Sev.
Oh
1
my god,
kg.
ये मेरे घर पे रहता है हमेशा. I still don't know the price.
This is 1 kg, no?
You have to
Yeah.
write it down.
Yes. Ready? हाँ दिखा दो क्या लिखा है. 50 rupees. 1 kilo 50, 55 and 200.
200.
Wow.
Sharvari is winning this.
225, very close. Sharvari gets 10 points. 50 रुपए में तुमको कौन सेव दे रहा है यार? मुझे भी मिला.
भी नहीं आएगा.
मुझे भी मिला. कौन है ये? Next.
We need to go shopping together.
Siddhi and I are so close.
Oh,
Next. Patanjali coconut hair oil 200 ml.
okay.
नहीं दिखेगा तुझे उधर प्राइस. इतना घूर मत.
नहीं
मत.
यार.
100, 85 and 100. The answer is 120.
What did he? Siddhi,
Both of us win.
Mansi and I get marks.
Both of you get 10
So
points
bad
each.
at this. Okay,
Next.
what's the next one?
Prestige Omega Deluxe Aluminium Granite Fry Pan 200 ml. Yeah, ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
500, 450 and 300.
Close.
Not at all close. Not at
I
all.
am still closest.
Mansi is the closest, yes.
Yeah.
I get 10
But
points.
then 90.
I know utensils are very expensive, so I was like 500.
अरे बट 790 का ग्रेनाइट फ्राई पैन की तो मैंने कभी सुना भी नहीं है. Oh my god.
First of all, it's prestige. And second, it has all these 200 mm and deluxe and this and that. So I was like,
इतना सोचा नहीं रे मैंने.
हर वर्ड के 100 रुपए, right? चलो next.
हाँ.
Skybags Trooper 55 centimeter polycarbonate blue cabin luggage.
इसका कॉस्ट ना मुझे 2 साल पहले पता था जब मैं खरीद रही थी.
कोई पूछा क्या?
पर हम आज खेल रहे, sorry. Done? Yes. Please show your cards. 4,000, 1,000, 2,800. सरवरी तुझे
That's
कुछ
it.
ज्यादा ही सस्ता मिल रहा है बैग.
हाँ, शर्वरी.
I don't know.
कूल बैग इतना सस्ता नहीं मिलता है अभी.
Exactly.
6,499. So again Mansi gets 10 points.
Oh wow. Mansi is, I don't know how, but killing it.
So bad at planning my finances later.
Surprise.
Yeah,
I'm
this
living
is
in 1970s
this
or
is the
something.
most random question I have put in the quiz so far. Mumbai to Mauritius
to
via
Mauritius.
Dubai air ticket economy Emirates का.
Dude, this is like a thing कि prices change every day. It
Yeah,
depends
so
on
this is
demand and
when
supply.
I saw the price. I put the price when I saw the price. 5,000, 28,000 and 30,000. 5,000 में तो
28,000 what?
5,000 में
किधर जाएगी?
Siddhi 5,000 में you will not
Nagpur
even not even reach the
Nagpur.
midpoint. दुबई भी नहीं पहुंच पाएगी तू 5,000.
Dubai. She won't get
Bad
out of
at
India.
this.
37,208. Sharvari gets 10 points. Good guess. Good guess. That brings us to the end of that round. Next round is the last round.
अच्छा था ये round.
Okay.
सब
ये
कुछ
last
I
round.
like this round.
It
Last
was nice.
सिद्धि को एक भी पार्ट नहीं मिला.
नहीं 10 पॉइंट मिले आई थिंक. नहीं मिले.
No.
सिद्धि को मिला है.
Yes.
Point
Okay.
score
No.
anything.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, anyway. हाँ नहीं मिला. Okay. So this is the last round. I'll tell you the scores before we go into the round to make it more interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, competitive.
We have Sharvari with 40 points, 4-0. Siddhi with 27 points. And Mansi at 39 points.
Oh, Mansi close. Mansi.
1 point का फर्क.
Don't know.
Even I will
Get
beat
so
I
ahead,
have to
both of
list
you.
now.
So
I
the
will beat Shell.
last round is
Shut up.
translated if you can.
I can't even dream of you winning.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
We'll see.
Focus.
Game on.
Focus.
Please make
That's
sure
what
that
I'm
lose,
saying.
Mansi.
Please.
Yeah, I'm
Shut up,
gonna
Siddhi.
Pen paper फेंक
You
दो.
can't.
Pen paper
You
फेंक
can't.
दो.
okay.
You can't.
You need
can't
the
do
buzzer
bias.
again. You need the buzzer again.
Okay.
Okay. So अब screen पे जो भी आएगा, screen पे जो भी
हाँ.
आएगा, that is a dialogue or a song.
Okay.
Okay. Based on whatever is given in, you need to crack whatever is given on the screen. Those are famous Hindi dialogues / songs. Okay. Let's go. First one.
And we have to translate it in English. Oh,
It's the time to disco. Buzzer. It's the time to disco.
That's the wrong answer.
Time party.
Buzzer. अरे
Yes.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
No, that is also the wrong answer.
Wait. Time party, like time celebration. Girl.
This is like अच्छा नाच रही है लड़की है.
Like, there has to be something with time.
Yeah, I don't know.
Both of you are very close.
Okay,
What?
me and Mansi and I.
Yeah.
Only 2 of you have
I
taken
haven't
guess.
spoken anything yet.
Siddhi.
4 बज गए लेकिन पार्टी अभी बाकी है. Buzzer.
Sir, कौन बोला?
Buzzer. 4 बज गए पर पार्टी अभी बाकी है.
Yeah, I'll give 8 points. You breached the rules. That's the correct answer.
Yeah. Oh wow, Mansi, nice. Oh, what?
I saw the clock and I saw कि clock में 4 बजे and then I was like
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
Oh,
4 बज गए.
Nice. मैंने
Next.
देखी भी नहीं.
Perceptive.
बाप, sorry. This what? Sorry, buzzer.
Hmm.
This is बाप बढ़ाना भैया सबसे
भैया
बड़ा
the whole
रुपया.
सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. ना बीवी ना बच्चा ना बाप बड़ा ना मैया.
बाप बड़ा ना भैया.
Yes, 10 points to Sharvari. And now we move on to the last question.
Wait, why did you give me 8 points के पहले, not 10?
Because तूने buzzer नहीं.
Buzzer ही नहीं बोला.
Because you reached the rule.
Mansi, it's okay. You're going to lose.
जूता बचा जूता है जापानी
जूता.
पतलून इंग्लिश.
Good. 10 points.
Oh,
That was fast.
wow! You win.
Yeah, I
Very
do.
nice. No, I.
Oh God, I'm losing so badly. Can
Wow.
we skip the part where I guessed that 5,000
Mansi,
could do
that's
it?
so nice.
So with that, we come to the end of the most random quiz show in the world.
खत्म.
And the current score. Do you want to know the scores?
Yeah.
We don't want to
Well,
know
anyway,
that. No.
Mansi is winning anyway.
We don't want to know
मैं
this.
close
I
आके
can give extra
I
points
know.
anytime.
See, I know
मुझे
that
तो कि मैं close
Siddhi
आके
is
आ
at
रही हूँ.
27.
मैं
I know that Siddhi is at 27.
Mansi, you shouldn't reveal it. No.
मैं extra points कहीं पे भी कभी भी दे सकता हूँ. Randomly.
The quiz is over.
Yeah, the quiz is over.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah, the quiz.
FYI.
But that works in my favor. So yeah, I think Prasham has got a point over you.
Yeah, it works in your favor, no?
Only
I'll
this
give you
can
20
take right
points
now.
for that,
That's
Siddhi.
it.
That's
No,
one thing.
he can't do that.
I just
We
did.
just earned. We earned it. You. This is.
Yeah.
Only that saved you, Siddhi, nothing else. So
Listen,
you should
you
be
guys
proud
did
of it.
hard work.
I'll tell
I
you
am
the
doing
scores.
smart work over here.
Now I'll tell you the scores. So Siddhi ended up at 47 points. Sharvari ended up at 50 points. 50. And Mansi won the quiz with 57 points.
अद्भुत खेला है आपने ये बड़े मुश्किल प्रश्न थे
Me.
That's nice.
Nice.
With
Abhi,
that,
like,
we come to the end of this episode. For all the viewers who watched us, thank you so much for watching. Please, I hope you played along while these people could not crack the Pechancon answers and you got it right. And yes, if you are interested in joining us and playing this quiz, there is the Instagram link in our channel. And otherwise, abhi niche aa jayega. Wahan pe you can DM us and we'll let you know if we can have you on this show. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to Take to India and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.